Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about how to remove the background of an image, so without further ado, let's go. First of all, put the necessary media for this in the media pool. And right-click on that. Click on Import Media. Select our media. Click on Open. And drag and drop into the timeline. Now you can see that there is a white bar here. So now we need to remove this. Click on this icon and go to the Fusion page. Now we can see that there is a media out and the media we used for this. So click on this. Press the Control and Space bar. Now search Luma Keyer. And click on Add button. Go to the Inspector panel. Let's change some settings. Click on this Invert Contrast expand -1 and Gamma, maybe 3. You can see it now. In this photo, the white color bar has been removed. Now go to the Edit page. Now I will show you a picture in the background. So you can see that the white bar in the logo has been removed. Now we go back to the Fusion page, and after turning off the Luma Keyer from the Inspector panel, you can see the white bar again. So guys, today I told you how to easily remove a background from an image using the Davinci Resolve Fusion page. If you like this video, please like the video. And also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the video we post. See you soon with another video like this.